In real life, conversations are messy. There are loud and quiet voices. Sometimes many people are talking at the same time. Conversations can happen through different ways, like texting and email. Sometimes these conversations are hard to follow if you don't know the rules. Scholars have conversations with each other for many reasons, sharing goals or improving the general understanding of a subject. These conversations are complex. Scholars follow certain rules to make their turn in the conversation more effective. Here's what happens when a scholar takes their turn in the conversation. First, the scholar looks at other scholars' research on their topic. Why do they do this? They want to improve their understanding of their topic by reading what has already been published. They also want to find where they can contribute something new to the conversation. Then, the scholar summarizes and synthesizes the work they've looked at into a literature review. Why do this? This tells the reader that the scholar is building on the work of others. After the scholar completes their own research, they compare, contrast, and analyze it within the context of the work done by other scholars. Why? This shows how the work is adding to the conversation on the topic. Next, the scholar shares their work. This can mean writing a scholarly article, presenting at a conference, or other means. Finally, another scholar wants to respond to what they said, and the process starts over again. We call all of this the scholarly conversation. Most of the time, when we're doing work at the university, we're using and building on the work of others. Anytime you write a paper for a course, it's a contribution to the conversation. The scholarly conversation is the core of scholarship and the work of the university.